In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Google Docs. This is a fantastic way to visually represent data, whether you're crafting a report, presenting results, or simply trying to organize information in a more digestible format. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly incorporate a pie chart into your Google Doc. First, you'll need to open your Google Doc. Once you have your document ready, place your cursor exactly where you'd like to insert your pie chart. This will be the spot where your chart will appear, so choose your location wisely depending on your document's layout and flow. Next, head over to the top menu of your Google Doc. You'll want to find and click on the Insert option. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. Navigate to Chart, and from there, select Pie. This series of clicks is straightforward and sets the stage for inserting your visual. Now, a sample pie chart will materialize in your document. This chart is essentially a placeholder, displaying generic data. It's a starting point and provides a visual anchor for your actual data. To input your specific data, here's what you need to do. Click on the chart once. You'll notice a small icon in the top right corner of the chart, a box with an arrow. This is the Open in Sheets icon. Clicking on this will open a new tab in your browser, leading you directly to Google Sheets. You'll see the placeholder data in this Google Sheet. It's time to personalize this data. Go ahead and replace the sample categories and numerical values with your own. Simply click on the cells and type in the relevant information. Whether you're dealing with percentages, numerical values, or categorical data, make sure to adjust the data accurately to reflect what your pie chart is meant to represent. Once you've entered all your data in Google Sheets, head back to your Google Doc. You'll notice something new. An Update button will appear directly over your pie chart. This is your cue to refresh the chart, updating it with the new data you just entered. Click on this Update button and voila! Your pie chart in Google Docs now perfectly represents the data input from Google Sheets. And there you have it. You've successfully created and integrated a pie chart within your Google Doc. This tool is incredibly useful for making your data more compelling and accessible. Remember to keep your data organized, and your visuals will always shine. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your document creation process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more tutorials. Happy document editing!